Dear children, today I am going to explain what is ArrayList. So ArrayList is a part of collection framework and is present in java.util package. It provides us dynamic arrays in Java. And though it may be slower than standard arrays, but can be helpful in programs where lot of manipulations in the array is needed. This array list inherits abstract list class and implements list interface. Array list is initialized by a size, and however the size can be increased if the collection grows or shrinks if objects are removed from the collection. So Java array list allows us to randomly access the list, and array list can be used for primitive data types like integer, char, etc. And we need a wrapper class for such cases. An array list in Java can be seen as similar to vector in C++. So now, as we know that array list is a class, so it is having three type of constructors. The first one is array list, which is default constructor, and this constructor is used to build an empty array list. Array list, another constructor of array list which receives a collection object, and this constructor is used to build an array list initialized with the elements of the collection. And third is the constructor which receives the size or capacity. So this constructor is used to build an array list with initial capacity being specified. And now here I would like to show one program using array list. So first of all, declare a class, and that is example array list. This is the main method, and suppose here we have got a variable which is integer n, and here array list, and the wrapper class object integer new array list, and here again the wrapper class object. You need to define wrapper class name, and then it is initialized. And now here I would like to add all these values. So suppose it starts from 1 to 5, and here there is a function add function which will actually add elements in the list, and after that I'm just printing this ARR, this array list. Now see how it works. Cannot find the symbol, children. Here it is, the name, which is array list. Okay, now you see that there are 5 elements in this array list, and I have displayed all these elements. And now here there is another method of its traversal. The content of the array list is like array only. We can traverse this from index number 0 till it is less than n I plus plus, and here you can write arr dot get of I. See, this another method, and here you can see that the content of the array list is 1 2 3 4 5. So this is what the traversal and creation of the array. Now children, let us see some more functions of this. Suppose here in this we want to remove one element. Suppose I want to remove 2, remove 3. So what will happen? The third element of the array list will get removed, but here you cannot write n because the size of the array list will get reduced. So how to get the size? So for the size there is another function. and that is ARR, the object name of ArrayList, and size function. This is the function which returns the capacity. So since it is a dynamic array, so you can see that the element at index number 3 has been removed, and which is 4 here. Just give some space so that the elements are differentiated. Now you see that the element at index number 4 has been eliminated from this. I hope. And one more function I would like to show you, that is just adding a element at a given specified index. Suppose here ARR dot add, I'm specifying index number 2 and I want to insert 10, and after that I would like to print ARR. So what will happen? Add index number 2, another element 10 will be inserted in this. See that add index number 2, which is 0, 1, 2. Add index number 2, one more element has been added. So this is the array list when integer we have considered the integer wrapper class. Now here suppose I would like to add or create one array list with a string. So what are the changes needed here? The changes which are needed are, in place of integer you should write string, and here again you should write string, and here I don't want to take now this n. Here I would like to add some names. Suppose here it is first object arr dot add, second arr dot add, third arr dot add, fourth arr dot add, fifth. So here you see that we have added 5 elements, and now if we want to display, these elements will be displayed on the screen. Few more elements I would like to add, that is arr dot add sixth, arr dot add seventh, arr dot add eighth, and see these elements are on the screen. I would like to access all these elements using the second method, in which we need to start this loop from 0 till it is less than arr dot size, which is the function which returns the capacity, and here it is arr dot get I. You see that here the elements are like this on the screen. So this is about ArrayList. We will see some more functions. Now children, see this is a statement in which I'm just creating another list from the main list using sublist function, and here this sublist function is extracting the elements from index number 2 to up to 4, and see what it does. Here ARR1, you see that third and fourth we have got. So index number 2 and index number 3 will get extracted, the index number 4 will get excluded, and this is very similar to the substring function of the string class. So here if we want to extract the elements from index number 4 till the end of the list, we can use this function. So you can see that from index number 4 it is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. All the elements have been extracted. So this is a simple introduction of ArrayList. I hope you people have enjoyed this video. And one more thing I would like to tell you, children, if you want to put your queries, you may contact me at this email ID, which is programmersdesk@gmail.com. You may contact me at this email ID. So here I will try my best to solve your queries. Children, one more WhatsApp number I'm just giving you. Here also you can place your queries. The number is 6392181388. 6392181388. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.